Good evening. Today I am going to do one new video. It's an Windows Server 2016. It's an cloud ready operating system that delivers new layers of security and Azure inspired innovation for the applications and infrastructure that power your business. In addition to downloading the ISO, run Windows Server on Azure. Azure provides a great way to test Windows Server 2016. So now what we'll do, just we'll install it and just we'll check for the Windows Server advanced features and all. I already did Server 2012. So now open Google Chrome and type there as Windows Server 2016. And here you can see Windows Server 2016 and HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol secure, and here you can see get started for free, download ISO. Just click on download the ISO, and here we have to give all our details and then download now. Same process like 2012 server 2012. I already did the ISO file and I just completed 2012 Windows Server 2012, and now I am doing Windows Server 2016. So just download Rufus and then open Rufus and make sure that your ISO file you have to drag and drop in the Rufus, and also you have to keep ready the 16 GB pen drive. Insert the pen drive to Rufus and then customize window installation, disable bit, disable data collection, set regional option. So okay, and then okay. So here it is warning that your pen drive data will be erased. So make sure you copy your pen drive data in some other device and then start, and here it has been completed. Now you have to restart system. So after restarting the system, loading files, here we can see loading files HP. See, here we can see Windows Server 2016, language is there, input is there, and then we can see keyboard layout. We have to enter all details and next. Install now. Setup is starting. Windows Server 2016 standard evaluation. So last option I am selecting, and next. I agree, accept the terms and license, next. And here partitions is there. Now we have to delete one partition, and okay, next. Copying windows, installing updates, getting device ready. So here customize setting is there. We have to give all details, password, re-enter password, username, and here we can see the date, time and all. Administrator, now password we have to give. Personalized setting. Now we can see here it has been started. Now Windows, here you can see the features. PowerShell is there, Windows system, easy settings, we'll check for settings, system display notification, accounts, time, language, activation, recovery, server manager. So here somewhat difference between 2012 and 16. Config this local server. So run option is there, and now you have to type as win, where WINVER, Windows Server 2016, and then OK. Here we can see Microsoft Windows Server, and OK. Network setting, and here we can see for all the features and all. So hope this video is good, somewhat informative. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.